guess we're on live. Welcome back, Gator Golf USA. It's time for another Whatnot auction unboxing. But first, I got a couple surprises. First off, you got my Morning Reaper Blackout Coffee in. Whole bean, by the way. 5 pounds. Because it is like 11 below zero right now. I've been dealing, this is Sunday, since Friday with, we got about 20 inches of snow from Friday into early this morning. So I've been doing a lot of snow removal. So, got cleaned up, had my breakfast, gonna fire up a little coffee. But that's not the surprise. I got my buddy Dog. He's my artiste. He did the original Gator. First name is Mark. We call him Dog. But he did me up one better. So, I got the newest Gator Golf USA painting. I just sent him a text message. I said, hey, let's do a fun Gator. So Gator's on the first tee. And there you go. So I got a spot for him. He's going up on the wall. Right by the Scotty. But that's not it. Then I got a buddy down in Louisiana who's had a golf channel called Bayou Golf. And Bayou, he's got this coming. This is made out of wood. Maybe like that. Here's the back side. And then if you look there, now this is just on a whim. I sent Mark just a quick photo, and he does his magic. So that'll be shipping out to Bayou sometime this week, maybe next week with the snow and the cold. But he'll get it before spring, I promise you that. So that's it. That's the start of today's video. So generally we do an accessory box and then we do a bag or a box club. So today I think we need to open up a bag because I need the space. This one's handy, but it's one of the newer ones. So we're going to go back here. I don't have, seriously running out of room. Not complaining, but we might have to open up instead of a Gator Den in the warehouse. This is the one we're doing. Oh, there's the shirt for today. World's okayest golfer. And I'm sporting my Puma bucket hat. So let's get into it. Bring it down to a lower level. Yeah, but Friday I was out 4 times clearing the driveways, the deck, And then yesterday, oh, and the cars, my wife's car's in the garage, but one of my son's cars, my truck. And then yesterday, before it got cold, it's Friday, it was in the 30s. So Friday night it was 31. Saturday morning it was 22. Saturday afternoon it was 16. And before the sun went down it was 6 degrees. And this morning it was -1. And now, like I said, it's -11. So let's get into this. Open this bag up. This is from my friends in Florida, Stack Golf. If you haven't checked out their YouTube channel, please do. They're a hoot. And they're every Saturday and whatnot. They really inspired my Scotty Cameron obsession in collecting. Well, I really need to get my box cutter out of my tool set. What we got? And it ain't easy shipping golf bags. I don't think I would do it personally. Whoa! Alright, here we go. This is a brand new TaylorMade stand bag. Brand new. It's called Flex Tech. There's the pockets. I don't know if I want to put anything in there that's so nice. This has it's Glenmorangie single Scotch whiskey. Well, there we go. How about that? Anybody like TaylorMade? Hit me up. I got a box. Ooh, I might stay in the Gator Hood though. That is nice. Well, I said I needed something to put the. Let's see if the stand bag works. I would say it works. I'm running out of room here. Yeah, she's staying pretty nice. And you know what? I'll have to flip you around. I'm gonna get. Yep, there we go. And she's a cutie. Alright, flip it. Alright, well there's a bag. Like so. There's a tag on it. It's originally $210. Okay. We're at just at 10 minutes, so we're doing good. Want to do some clubs? Morning Reaper. You're still in the morning, trust me. Shout out to Zach Perone. He's from Florida also, along with Stack Golf. Okay, I'll keep this right on time, right on budget. Even with the new artistic release. And if you need anything done up by my buddy Dog, bloop bloop below, and you can email me and see what Mark can do for you. We have some clubs. I have no idea what they are right now. Dynamic gold shaft. Whoa. We got some tailor-made wedges here. I'm gonna put these. I like to save the padding. 2 tailor-made wedges. The lighting's a little better in here, and I haven't found my vlogging camera yet. Faces are clean. What kind are they? They're just called the Z Milled Wedge. Dynamic Gold Tour Series. Tour issue. Grips are original. Golf Pride. I mean, they're playable. Same with the other one. I mean, they're pretty clean on the sole. These haven't been in a bunker. Very nice. This is 60 degree with 6 degrees of bounce. Just happen to have that TaylorMade bag to go with it. And this is a 52 degrees gap wedge with 9 degrees of bounce. The same thing. They are really clean. Just put it up like that so you can see the back. I mean, those are really nice. Got a couple screws in there. Imagine you can, those are for weight. New bag and new wedges. I thought the grips aren't that bad. You could play with these right off the bat, but I would get them re-gripped because I like my wind grips. Very nice. Get you a shot of that. Brand new TaylorMade bag, TaylorMade wedges. Okay, I think this is video number 7 in the series of Whatnot auction unboxing. We'll catch you later with another one. Thanks. Bye. See ya. Thanks. Bye.